Chiaro che proprio.
So, this is the Blue Lagoon in Cyprus, in between Ayia Napa and Protaras. And I'm exploring this once again now in December. Today is 25th of December. So, it is 21 degrees Celsius in the air and 20 degrees in the water. So, I really look forward towards today's swim over here, as the last time I visited this place was 30th of August, 4 months ago. And today it doesn't look the same color as back then because it is almost towards the sunset. It will be actually in 1 hour, but it is still a beautiful place to explore. So let's go. Yes, this is the Blue Lagoon. So I have opened my eyes in the water and I see the most beautiful blue color that I'm gonna show you once again. Take a look. I hope that you were able to see that as I see it, as this is a super popular attraction during the summer months, as many boats stop by here, boats that are coming from Ayia Napa, that's that direction, and Protaras, that's on the other side. So the water here is amazing. I cannot describe how beautiful it is, even though I'm a bit too late to capture the true blue color, as the site is called Blue Lagoon, but still it's so nice and refreshing. So yeah, 25th of December the day is today. Right now it is 3 p.m. exactly, and we're gonna have sun for 1 hour at least, if not more. And this is probably one of my last beach stops for today. I visited the naked beach at Amuskamburi, then another nudist beach close by, and Limnara beach. So this is the fourth beach adventure for today. But let's dive in once again and see if you can explore a bit of the beautiful blue color. Let's go! Ah, amazing. Absolutely amazing. It's so beautiful. Yes, Christmas Day is the day today, a popular holiday around the world, and I'm today at the Blue Lagoon in Cyprus. So it's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. It is only me that is taking a swim right now. There are a few people in clothes on the shore, but I think that the water for me it is super warm, 20 degrees Celsius. super warm and 21 in the air, so it's perfect conditions for me. All right, let's wrap up from the beautiful Blue Lagoon, the magical spot here in Cyprus that you must visit when you are here in Cyprus. So thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.
Bye.